What if I told you there's an ancient protection spell that only needs one simple ingredient, and it can defend you from unwanted energy and spirits? Stay tuned. I'll reveal how to use it and you won't believe what it does next. Welcome, everyone. Do you ever feel like your boundaries are being crossed by unwanted energy or spirits? Maybe there's that unsettling feeling when you're trying to relax at home, or you're simply looking for a little more peace and safety. I've got something special for you today. A salt protection spell that will help you defend your space and bring comfort when it's needed the most. But here's the thing. This spell is not just about creating protection. It's about reclaiming your energy. And the best part? You can do this anytime, even if you're a beginner. Stick around because there's a surprise at the end of this spell you won't want to miss. Before we get started, just a quick reminder. Keep watching until the end for an unexpected twist that will make your protection even stronger. Trust me, you'll want to know this secret. This protection spell is a powerful way to create a barrier around your home, preventing negative energy or forces from entering. It's the perfect way to shield your space, especially if you've been feeling a little off lately, or if there's a strange presence nearby. The great thing about this spell is that you can do it in any space that feels like it has bad energy, whether it's a room, your entire house, or even outside your door. This simple salt spell will help guard your space and restore balance. And if you're dealing with unwanted energy in your neighborhood, salt has got your back. Now let's dive into the steps. You'll need a few simple ingredients to perform this spell. What you will need: 1 cup of table salt. Pink Himalayan salt is the best. A glass jar with a lid. 12 oz. 1 teaspoon each of the following: dried basil, ground cloves, and ground cumin. Black pepper. Ash you can use from a campfire or burnt twigs. Just make sure it is clear of chemicals. Ready? Let's get started. First, find a quiet place, your kitchen, altar, or a space you've created for rituals. Gather your ingredients. Add the salt into the jar. Then, one by one, a teaspoon at a time, add each ingredient: basil, cloves, cumin, black pepper, and ash. As you add each herb to the jar, say the following words: basil to defend, cloves to guard, cumin to shelter, pepper to shield, ash to protect. Close the jar and shake it to mix everything together. You've just created your own protective salt blend. Now you're going to create a boundary line of your salt mixture around your home. Pour the mixture into an unbroken line around your house, your room, or wherever you need protection. Keep an eye on it. If the salt line breaks, just repeat the spell and reinforce your barrier. And remember, if you have a large home or more space to cover, feel free to double the ingredients. I'm curious. Have you ever felt like something was trying to warn you about negative energy? Drop a comment below and let me know about your experiences with intuition or protection. Here's the surprise. The more you focus your energy and intentions into the spell, the stronger it becomes. You can amplify this spell by using your intuition, channeling your gut feelings, and paying attention to any warnings your instincts give you. This is how your personal energy merges with the spell, making it uniquely powerful for you. There you have it. Your very own boundary protection spell to keep your home safe and full of positive energy. If you found this helpful, you'll love this video on Manifest Financial Prosperity, a simple candle spell. Check it out next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone you know who could use a little extra protection magic. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.